This video will explain how to report fraud in Google Pay. What is fraud in Google Pay? Fraud means someone tricked you or tried to steal your money using fake messages, fake payment requests, or false promises. If this happens, you must report it immediately so Google Pay and your bank can help you. What does reporting fraud mean? Reporting fraud means informing Google Pay and your bank that someone tried to cheat you. Money was sent without your permission. You received a fake request or scam. Reporting helps to stop further loss, track the scammer, and start the refund investigation. Now we will see how to report fraud in Google Pay. Step 1 is open the Google Pay app. Start the app on your phone. Step 2 is go to the transaction history. Tap on show all transactions or check the payment list on your home screen and you will see all the recent payments. Step 3 is select the problem transaction. Tap the payment where money was taken wrongly, you sent money by mistake, you were tricked. This opens the details of the transaction. Step 4 is tab report a problem. Inside the transaction page, look for the option like report a problem or need help. This tells Google Pay you want to file a complaint. Step 5 is choose the correct issue type. Google Pay will show options like I was scammed, unauthorized payment, incorrect person received money, and fraudulent request. Select the option that matches your issue. Step 6 is add a short explanation. Google Pay may ask you to explain what happened. Write simply how you were cheated, what the scammer told you, how much money was involved. You may also attach screenshots if needed. Step 7 is submit the report. After filling the details, tab on submit. Google Pay will send your complaint to your bank, start an investigation, update you inside the app. Here I have opened Google Pay. Here you can see transaction history. Click on this. Inside that you can see the transaction history and follow the steps I have explained to report the issue. After reporting, what happens next? Google Pay and your bank will check whether the transaction was fraud, whether money can be recovered, whether the receiver's account should be blocked. You will get updates in your Google Pay help section. You have to also contact your bank immediately. Google Pay reporting alone is not enough. Contact your bank's customer service and say, I want to report a fraudulent UPI transaction. Give them the transaction ID, the amount, the time of the payment. Banks can freeze the receiver's account, try to reverse the transaction, and add extra protection to your account. When you should report fraud immediately? Report instantly if you are mistakenly approved a collect request. You were tricked into sharing your UPI PIN. Someone pretending to be bank officer and called you. You clicked an unsafe link and money was deducted. You paid for something but received nothing. Faster reporting increases the chances of getting your money back. What you should never do. Never share your UPI PIN. Never share your OTP. Never install apps from unknown sources. Never approve requests from strangers. These mistakes help scammers to steal money. The summary is to report fraud in Google Pay, open the affected transaction, tab report a problem, choose the issue, explain what happened, and also inform your bank immediately.